Oh, Rudy, he's being a good boy.
Yeah.
Nice job, Rudy. That's a good boy. Give him a kiss, Trey.
Why he put his teeth like this?
Oh, his lips are just hanging down.
What are these things?
His teeth.
Oh.
Give him a kiss. And pet him. He wants his belly pet. Good boys.
What he wants to do now?
He wants you to pet him.
But I pick the one once.
Oh, come on. Pet him more.
Okay. Now Pippi.
Alright.
Ew.
What?
I don't like your teeth.
You're a good boy, Rude.
Mommy, will you pet on? Can you pet? Can we play with the dogs
Yeah.
for a little bit?
Sure.